this is also the same thing. We used to play and call the girl at night also. We did not play on the day. We play that, we perform, but just the music. But now I'm going to play with you dance song, and then the next one there will be Hmong folk song, and telling people that I lost my girl. Due to my girl do not like me anymore because we came to this country, and she ran with other boyfriend too, but not my family though. My family did not have that happen. But I just played. Next song I'll play a dance song. Thank you for Mike and director and Dr. Pfeiffer and Song Paul invited me to perform today. And I believe that I'm not the very expertise for playing with this two string violins, but I just practice whatever I can. And then I'm not that very good either. Some of our people do much better than me, and they done their work, but not me.